Starting a business is an exciting journey filled with opportunities and challenges. Whether you have a groundbreaking idea or simply want to be your own boss, understanding the steps to launch your business is crucial. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential stages, from brainstorming your concept to officially opening your doors. Each step is designed to help you build a strong foundation, avoid common pitfalls, and set yourself up for long-term success. Let's dive in and explore how you can turn your vision into a thriving business, one step at a time. Every successful business starts with a great idea. Think about your passions, skills, and the problems you see around you. Is there a gap in the market that you can fill? Maybe you've noticed a service that could be improved or a product that people need. Take time to brainstorm and research different possibilities. Don't rush this stage. Exploring various ideas can help you discover something truly unique and valuable. Remember, the best business ideas often come from personal experiences or interests, so look inward and outward for inspiration. Once you have an idea, it's time to research the market. This means looking at your potential customers, competitors, and industry trends. Who are your target customers? What are their needs and preferences? Analyze your competitors to see what they're doing well and where they fall short. Use online tools, surveys, and interviews to gather valuable insights. Market research helps you validate your idea and refine your business concept, ensuring there's real demand for what you plan to offer. Knowing exactly who your customers are is essential for any business. Define your target audience by considering factors like age, location, interests, and buying habits. Create a customer profile or persona to visualize your ideal client. This will help you tailor your products, services, and marketing efforts to meet their specific needs. The more you understand your audience, the better you can serve them and stand out from the competition. A business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you'll take to achieve them. Your plan should include an executive summary, company description, market analysis, organization structure, product or service details, marketing plan, and financial projections. Writing a business plan forces you to think through every aspect of your business and prepares you for potential challenges. It's also essential if you plan to seek funding from investors or banks. Selecting the right business structure is a crucial decision. Common options include sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, and corporation. Each structure has its own legal, tax, and operational implications. Consider factors like liability, taxation, and your long-term goals. Consulting with a legal or financial advisor can help you make the best choice for your situation. The right structure will protect your personal assets and support your business growth. To make your business official, you'll need to register it with the appropriate government authorities. This process varies depending on your location and business structure. You may need to choose a business name, obtain a federal or state tax ID, and apply for necessary licenses or permits. Registering your business not only makes it legal, but also builds credibility with customers and partners. Make sure to check all local, state, and federal requirements to avoid any legal issues down the road. Most businesses need some form of funding to get started. Consider your options, such as personal savings, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Each funding source has its pros and cons, so weigh them carefully. Prepare a detailed financial plan to show potential lenders or investors how you'll use the funds and how your business will generate revenue. Being transparent and realistic about your financial needs increases your chances of securing the right support. Keeping your business finances separate from your personal accounts is essential. Open a dedicated business bank account to manage income, expenses, and taxes efficiently. This not only simplifies bookkeeping, but also adds professionalism to your operations. Most banks require your business registration documents and tax ID to open an account. Having a business account also makes it easier to apply for loans or accept payments from clients. Accurate accounting is the backbone of any successful business. Set up an accounting system to track your income, expenses, and profits. You can use accounting software or hire a professional accountant depending on your needs and budget. Good accounting practices help you make informed decisions, stay compliant with tax laws, and monitor your business's financial health. Don't overlook this step. It can save you time and headaches in the long run. Depending on your industry and location, you may need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Research the requirements for your business type and make sure you apply for all necessary documents. This could include health permits, zoning permits, or professional licenses. Staying compliant with regulations protects your business from fines and legal trouble. It also reassures customers that you operate with integrity and professionalism. Choosing the right location can make or break your business. Consider factors like foot traffic, accessibility, competition, and cost. Whether you're opening a physical store, office, or working from home, your location should support your business goals and attract your target customers. Take time to visit potential sites, negotiate leases, and ensure the space meets your operational needs. The right location sets the stage for your business's success. Once you have your location, it's time to purchase the equipment and supplies you need to operate. Make a list of essentials based on your business type. This could include computers, furniture, inventory, or tools. Shop around for the best deals and consider both new and used options to save money. Investing in quality equipment from the start can improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. No business succeeds alone. If you need help, start building your team by hiring employees or working with freelancers. Look for people who share your vision and bring valuable skills to the table. Clearly define roles and responsibilities to ensure everyone knows what's expected. A strong team can help you grow faster, solve problems, and create a positive work environment. Your brand is more than just a logo, it's the identity of your business. Develop a brand that reflects your values, mission, and the experience you want to provide. This includes choosing a business name, designing a logo, and creating a consistent look and feel across all your materials. A strong brand helps you stand out, build trust, and attract loyal customers. In today's digital world, having a website is essential for any business. Your website acts as your online storefront, providing information about your products, services, and contact details. Choose a domain name that matches your brand and use a professional design. Make sure your site is easy to navigate, mobile-friendly, and optimized for search engines. A great website can help you reach more customers and grow your business. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with customers. Set up profiles on platforms where your target audience spends time, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Share valuable content, interact with followers, and use social media to promote your products or services. Consistent and authentic engagement helps you build a loyal community and increase brand awareness. A solid marketing plan outlines how you'll attract and retain customers. Identify your key marketing channels, such as social media, email, content marketing, or paid advertising. Set clear goals and budgets for each channel. Track your results and adjust your strategies as needed. Effective marketing helps you reach new customers, build relationships, and drive sales. Pricing your products or services correctly is key to profitability. Research your competitors and understand what your target customers are willing to pay. Consider your costs, desired profit margins, and market positioning. Test different pricing strategies and be willing to adjust based on customer feedback and sales data. The right pricing can help you attract customers and maximize your revenue. Now it's time to bring your idea to life. Develop your product or service by focusing on quality, usability, and customer needs. Create prototypes, gather feedback, and make improvements before launching. Whether you're offering a physical product or a service, ensure it delivers real value and solves a problem for your customers. Continuous improvement is key to staying competitive. Before launching, test your product or service with a small group of customers. Collect honest feedback on what works and what could be improved. Use this information to refine your offering and fix any issues. Testing helps you minimize risks and ensures you're delivering something your customers truly want. It's better to make adjustments now than after a full-scale launch. With your product or service ready, it's time to prepare for launch. Finalize your marketing materials, train your team, and ensure all systems are in place. Create a launch plan that outlines key dates, promotional activities, and responsibilities. Building excitement before your launch can help you attract attention and generate early sales. The big day has arrived. Launch your business with confidence. Announce your opening through your website, social media, email, and local events. Offer special promotions or incentives to attract your first customers. Be prepared to handle any challenges that arise and stay flexible. Remember, launching is just the beginning of your entrepreneurial journey. After launching, it's important to monitor your business's progress. Track key metrics like sales, customer feedback, and website traffic. Use this data to identify what's working and where you can improve. Regularly reviewing your performance helps you make informed decisions and adapt to changing circumstances. Stay proactive and keep your business moving forward. Listening to your customers is vital for growth. Encourage feedback through surveys, reviews, or direct conversations. Use their input to improve your products, services, and customer experience. Responding to feedback shows you value your customers and are committed to meeting their needs. Happy customers are more likely to return and recommend your business to others. As your business grows, look for ways to streamline your operations. Identify bottlenecks, automate repetitive tasks, and improve your processes. Efficient operations save time and money, allowing you to focus on serving your customers and expanding your business. Regularly review your workflows and seek input from your team for continuous improvement. Managing your cash flow is critical to keeping your business healthy. Monitor your income and expenses closely and plan for both expected and unexpected costs. Set aside reserves for emergencies and avoid unnecessary spending. Good cash flow management ensures you can pay your bills, invest in growth, and weather tough times. Staying compliant with laws and regulations is essential for any business. Keep up with tax filings, renew licenses, and follow employment laws. Consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure you're meeting all requirements. Compliance protects your business from fines and legal issues, giving you peace of mind to focus on growth. Protecting your business from risks is a smart move. Consider getting insurance to cover property, liability, or employees. Implement security measures to safeguard your data and assets. Having the right protection in place helps you recover quickly from setbacks and keeps your business running smoothly. Networking is a powerful way to grow your business. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with other entrepreneurs. Building strong relationships can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and valuable advice. Don't underestimate the power of a supportive network in helping your business thrive. Continuous learning is key to staying competitive. Invest in your own professional development by attending workshops, taking courses, or reading industry publications. Encourage your team to do the same. Staying up to date with the latest trends and skills helps you adapt to changes and seize new opportunities. Technology can help you run your business more efficiently and reach more customers. Use tools like accounting software, project management apps, and digital marketing platforms. Stay open to new technologies that can streamline your operations or improve your customer experience. Embracing technology keeps you ahead of the competition. Once your business is stable, look for ways to scale. This could mean expanding your product line, entering new markets, or increasing your marketing efforts. Scaling requires careful planning and additional resources, so make sure you're ready for the challenges. Growth is exciting, but it's important to maintain quality and customer satisfaction as you expand. Running a business can be stressful, so it's important to manage your well-being. Set boundaries between work and personal life, delegate tasks, and take breaks when needed. Prioritize self-care and seek support from friends, family, or mentors. A healthy work-life balance helps you stay motivated and avoid burnout. The business world is always changing. Stay alert to shifts in your industry, customer preferences, and technology. Be willing to pivot your strategies and try new approaches when necessary. Flexibility and adaptability are key traits of successful entrepreneurs. Embrace change as an opportunity to grow and improve. Excellent customer service sets you apart from the competition. Train your team to be responsive, helpful, and friendly. Address customer concerns quickly and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and refer others to your business. Regularly tracking your finances helps you stay on top of your business's health. Review your income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Look for trends in areas where you can cut costs or increase revenue. Staying financially organized allows you to make smart decisions and plan for the future. Mentors can provide valuable guidance and support as you navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship. Seek out experienced business owners or join mentorship programs. Learning from other successes and mistakes can help you avoid pitfalls and accelerate your growth. Don't be afraid to ask for advice. Mentorship is a powerful resource. Take time to celebrate your achievements, both big and small. Recognizing milestones like your first sale, reaching a revenue goal, or expanding your team boosts morale and motivation. Celebrations also remind you and your team of how far you've come and inspire you to keep pushing forward. Successful businesses always look ahead. Set long-term goals and create a plan for future growth. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. Planning for the future helps you stay focused, anticipate challenges, and seize new opportunities as they arise. Giving back to your community can strengthen your business's reputation and build goodwill. Consider supporting local charities, sponsoring events, or volunteering your time. Community involvement shows that your business cares about more than just profits and helps you connect with customers on a deeper level. Entrepreneurship is a journey with ups and downs. Stay inspired by connecting with other business owners, reading success stories, and reminding yourself why you started. Keep your passion alive and use challenges as learning experiences. Inspiration fuels your drive and keeps you moving forward, even when things get tough. Regular reflection helps you learn from your experiences and improve. Set aside time to review your business's performance, celebrate successes, and identify areas for growth. Honest reflection allows you to make better decisions and avoid repeating mistakes. It's an essential habit for any successful entrepreneur. Persistence is one of the most important qualities for entrepreneurs. There will be setbacks and obstacles, but staying committed to your vision is key. Learn from failures, adapt, and keep pushing forward. Remember, many successful businesses face challenges before achieving greatness. Your persistence will pay off in the long run. Starting a business is a rewarding adventure that requires careful planning, hard work, and determination. By following these steps, you can build a strong foundation and increase your chances of success. Remember, every entrepreneur's journey is unique, so stay true to your vision and keep learning along the way. With the right mindset and strategies, you can turn your business dreams into reality.